Good afternoon, everybody. Hope everybody's having a blessed Friday. I just wanted to make another quick video. It's been a little while since I posted on this Instagram, so I thought I'd make a quick video just before I do some errands. So today's message is really just about you planning and assessing like your clients' needs and wants. So when you have your own small business, you might have started with a certain goal in mind. You might have a certain product, or you might be marketing your business in a certain way. But when you do some research or you start dealing with clients, you might notice that your initial goals were a little different, but now you've shifted and geared off into something a little different. Your clients' needs might have been different, so you might be catering something slightly different than what you were marketing. I think it's important for one to kind of like not be too attached with their main goals. As long as you're satisfying your clients' needs, I think you should kind of cater your marketing towards that. So for example, I might have started doing a lot more dance costumes with my tailoring business, but then I started doing more and more alterations, and it got to the point where 98% of my work is just doing fittings. So now, I might have to, even though I really want to market my work and I want to show it off, I could keep that from my personal page. In terms of my business page, I might want to kind of tailor my marketing and focus more on what my clients are coming for. You understand? So rather than just having a personal attachment to your business, try to focus more on what your clients want and what your clients need. And then if you feel like you don't really understand what your clients, majority of your clients want from you or what they need from you, maybe that's when you should do more inquiries. We always push clients to do more inquiries, but maybe as a business, it's also very important to do inquiries from your customer base and whoever your potential target market is. That could be done through surveys. It could be done from just posts, asking for comments. Asking your clients and the community what they really think of your business and what they really want from you, as somebody that's providing something that's fulfilling their needs. So I think that's very important. And other than just another quick message, I don't want to make the video too long, but again, just tailor your marketing towards what your clients really come to you for, what their needs are, and kind of shift your marketing towards whatever your clients' needs are. At the same time, you have to keep your main goal in mind, but as time progresses, you might want to kind of shift and change your business and mold it into something perfect. And that's just really how it is. Business is a journey. You keep taking steps up, and you don't want to cling to one little step and you're not making big moves. So continue to make the big moves and continue to make changes whenever it's a big positive change. And remember to take risks, because business is all about risks at the end of the day. So that's the quick message. Hope you guys have a blessed Friday, and take care.